Hello guys, this is Ghana Boy in here. Breaking news. Guys, you know, this is what personally, as a patriotic Ghanaian, I love to see. Mr. IBRAHIM MAHAMA, God bless you so much. Guys, the breaking news coming right now has it that today, few minutes ago, Mr. IBRAHIM MAHAMA, the brother to the president of Ghana, the rich business mogul, and the philanthropist, which we all know, today sat down with the Ghana High Commissioner to South Africa and Mr. Emmanuel Asamoah. You all remember this gentleman that was stopped in South Africa and was asked for his documents. Today, Mr. IBRAHIM MAHAMA has agreed to donate an amount of 200,000 Ghana cedis to Mr. Emmanuel Asamoah, and as well to set Mr. Emmanuel Asamoah up with a cement business in Ghana as well, now that he's back to Ghana. We also learned the wife of Mr. Emmanuel Asamoah, who is also a Ghanaian fixing nails, is also coming. And as well, Mr. IBRAHIM MAHAMA also agreed to give Mr. Emmanuel Asamoah a brand new car as well. So 200,000 Ghana cedis, cement business for Mr. Emmanuel Asamoah, and 200,000 Ghana cedis. Now, why am I happy and smiling? This is what I was telling you guys about a few days ago, that with this issue, let's behave more patriotic with dignity instead of coming out here and be exchanging words. According to Mr. IBRAHIM MAHAMA, after asking the Ghana High Commissioner how many Ghanaians more do we have there at the moment that are also currently facing, this, issue of undocumented, Ghanaians in South Africa. The Ghana High Commissioner said 280. Mr. IBRAHIM MAHAMA said bring all of them back home. They should come home and let's fix Ghana. And yo, yeah, they see you fix it. Being it good, being it bad in Ghana, all of you come back home from South Africa and let's fix the country. According to Mr. IBRAHIM MAHAMA, the world currently, when we see USA, according to what he said, when you look at USA, ICE agents are chasing people, whether you have documents or not, they are chasing you. According to Mr. IBRAHIM, every country at the moment is trying so hard to fix their country. So he sees no reason why we are supposed to be having back and forth with all of them. He's going to support all the 280 Ghanaians that are in South Africa now, that are also, in the same fate of not being documented or whatsoever. He's telling the Ghana High Commissioner, bring all of them back home. He's going to invest in all of them, and then, let's all help to fix a better Ghana. This is what we've been asking for. And as a Ghanaian, I keep on telling you guys, this is not a time for us to do unnecessary arguments. We are Ghanaian people. Yeah, this year, you understand? Let's fix our country. 280 people, all of them should come back. So far, if there are more people, come back home. Let's fix this country, Ghana, and make Ghana a great and strong nation.
He's a lucky boy.
Thank you so much, guys.
Let's go and take the cement, sell it. He gets his money, he pays the cement back. He sells 1 million Ghana cedis, he makes 100,000. Or he makes even 70,000. It's better than going to seek any employment in any country. Now, what's after total behind
1,800. When we did the calculation a month, it was earning like 1,700 to 1,800.
3,500.
Hey, 1,800 what?
Converting the
was,
a month.
He was doing nails.
We had nails. Company how to handle now we nails for her. Who the be barber shop for handle? Who be 5,000. Now to be coma award do that town. Who go away? Who are garden? On one or back. On also then no or who be what? A baby now. Let's find a car for you. Why ever pay Kabiama? We can be so namu. So that's a plan for the Mokon to cement and but apart from that, Muso ambassador Muso. Your contractors in now or Musis is in nine as a year warm. So you go and talk to Abuja and them. They should put all contractors to yeah, So whilst they are and with us, once you buy the cement is the best. Once you buy the cement, you don't even have to pay for it. Once government pays you, then you pay back. So we believe in Ghana. It's a yes, our bowl. Yes, our I'm happy he's. And look, what be ambassador, no minister special assistant, say, Womu to Kakobo, because of Kwana Okubi, Okwana Wasaba. The America says, yeah, only people who paper boy, you see the Woba, ice at the Woba. The world has become, and have you noticed what has happened in South Africa today? Now Zambia and everybody is chasing their people out.
Yes. Nigeria also said that.
Nigeria is saying, so all of you come back home and let's fix our country. And you Timubi. Understand? You know, Timubi. I'm happy so about. But what come a bishop for?
Okay, Saturday. Na ya oludi ya na buy na obese obi ka di kama na koy
okay
ma na koy je see no why na ba no somebody
okay
tell them that the nyanchia
e so mo share busa e na ana mo kan ha socialist mo pe bibi a obetimi atena we should find him somewhere in Accra that we can actually watch over him. That's not to say he's actually just going to go and stay in Kumasi. Kumasi, when you go and live there, knows that. But I saw Kona who said Bogaba. I said Kona who said Bogaba. Of course, South Africa was starting business for her. Maybe buy me who see you. Yeah, so now almost see me. Oh, about you, about your buy only if you meet them. Who tell bed 2 years as a MP, na matoka bako hey, abanabo. Me come na mo, I say me say maba, me maybe if you may useless no be asked that is omo person mo ba. You know. So you should just make us proud. Just focus. And me nipa no go for no be boa pa. And I'm a bad girl no so bad. Should be very interested in progress. To be started, education there may be opportunities for all people. The good thing is that Wabe would do no shema, so fast a mental on your own passport. Why?
But thank you very much.
And thanks very much. I'm happy to, yeah. So I need to make sure that we give them some seed money. So tell Bar and them to give me 200,000 Ghana to give to them to start. Settle themselves and everything.
God bless you.
Yeah, bless you. Thank you.